In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add slider in Card. By the end, you'll have a clean, responsive image slider on your page, perfect for showcasing work, testimonials, or featured content. Start by opening your browser and heading to card.co. Sign in if you aren't already, then open your dashboard. From there, select the site you want to edit so the Card Builder loads. Inside the builder, look for the Add button, typically shown as a plus icon. Click it to open the element menu and choose Slideshow. Card will place a placeholder slider on your canvas and open the settings panel on the right, which is where you'll manage everything. If the panel looks compact, click the small arrow to expand it and reveal more options. This makes it easier to see all the controls you'll use to configure the slider without hunting around. Now add your first image. Click Upload and choose a photo from your computer. For best results, use web-optimized images in consistent dimensions so your slides don't jump in height. Keeping file sizes smaller helps the page load faster, especially on mobile. To build out the carousel, click Add to create more slides and repeat the upload process. Aim for a consistent aspect ratio across images, like all landscape or all portrait, to keep the layout stable and professional. If an image looks off, consider cropping it outside Card for a perfect fit before uploading. You can fine-tune how each image sits in the frame by adjusting position. Center works well for most photos, but if your subject is off to one side, choose a position that anchors the important part of the image where it's always visible. If you want a slide to be clickable, add a link URL. You can point to another page on your Card site or an external link. Make sure to include the full address, starting with https:// and only add links where it makes sense so users know what to expect. Head to the Appearance tab to dial in the look and feel. Here you can adjust things like size, spacing, and how navigation controls appear. Depending on your plan and design, you may also set transitions, speed, or autoplay. Keep accessibility in mind. Choose control and overlay colors with enough contrast, and avoid overly fast transitions that can be distracting. When you're happy with how it looks, click Done to confirm the changes. Give the page a quick scroll to check how the slider behaves on different sections and screen sizes. That's all it takes to add a polished, flexible slider to your Card site.